What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, The Korean Uncle, where you can learn about Korean words, Korean food, Korean culture. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below or click follow me down there to stay updated. Okay, so today I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite summertime Korean food called Naengmyeon. So let's get to it. So today I'm gonna show you how to prepare naengmyeon. One of the most easiest food to prepare. It's so simple, anybody can do it. It's like the breeze. You can find this at the Korean market, any Korean market, you can go there. There's tons and tons of different brands, but I chose this brand because this is one of my favorite brands. There's several different types of naengmyeon. There's 물냉면, and there's 비빔냉면, there's hwaennaengmyeon, there's chingnaengmyeon. There's all different types that you're gonna see at the market. I'm gonna make another video on those naengmyeon as well. But today I'm gonna show you 물냉면, and it says right here, it says 평양 물냉면, but it says in English it's cold noodles with broth. So the broth is basically a beef-based broth. And today I wanted to share this naengmyeon because the first word here, it says Pyongyang. So this is a North Korean city. So if you haven't heard about North Korea, or if you know about North Korea, they don't have a lot of food, but they make pretty good naengmyeon. So I wanted to share that with you. If you wanted to try a North Korean style naengmyeon, this is the naengmyeon. It's called Pyongyang naengmyeon. So Pyongyang 물냉면 is the naengmyeon we're gonna make today. And so let's get the water boiling and let's go. So while the water is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare this up, open this up here. And this serves for 2 people. So you'll get 2 packages here, very easy. You get the mustard sauce here, and then you get the cold noodle. So today I'm just gonna make only one. So we'll put this away. So now the broth, this has the soup base, and you want it cold. So you want to keep this frozen as much as possible, but you want to thaw it a little bit as well to have a watery texture. So it keeps the broth cold because this is a cold noodle. So now we're gonna go ahead and boil the noodles, and this takes only about a few minutes. So you don't want to put it too long. So you just want to put it in the water for maybe about good 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so after the noodles been boiled, you want to run it in cold water. So after this cooled down, you want to put it in to a bowl. So it's going to be still a little bit warm, but you want to get it cool as much as possible. So put the noodles in here, and you got the soup base, and then the hot sauce. So now you could add cucumbers, boiled eggs, and then put beef on top. But today I'm just gonna make it simple for you, okay? Because I like it instant. I like it fast because I'm hungry. And I'm gonna show you one of the best combinations that you can eat. One of the best combinations you can eat together with naengmyeon. This is probably one of my best combination to eat with naengmyeon is 갈비. So if you haven't tried 갈비 and naengmyeon together, it's probably one of the best combinations. Now you could use other steaks or other types of meat, but in Korean style we use 갈비. So we're gonna eat 갈비 and naengmyeon today. And then we're gonna get all that slush out. Oh, it's nice and cold, so during summertime it's probably the best food for Koreans to eat naengmyeon. And in North Korea, they don't have galbi. You know, you got to be really super rich to eat galbi in North Korea. And then we're gonna add the mustard. Now, typically you would want to put cucumbers, sliced cucumbers, and boiled egg and sliced beef on top. But today I kind of want to eat galbi and naengmyeon together. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a go. Should we dig in now? All right, let's eat some naengmyeon. This reminds me of my good friend, which I shared naengmyeon with, and we always eat it together in LA. I miss him, so that's why I made the naengmyeon today. So if this is the first time you're trying naengmyeon, it's vinegary, it's cold, vinegary, and a little bit sweet. So it has a very good combination. So it's an acquired taste for some people. So if you're not used to eating Korean food but you want to try, it's not bad. It's not an acquired taste where you're eating something really, different. But it's just noodle with a beef broth base. So this you could get it easily. You could adjust your taste to it. Also, there's a little bit of a mukbang in my channel too, so I get to eat with you guys, and you can watch me eat.
Homemade 갈비, best.
So today's word of the day is Pyongyang and Naengmyeon. So Pyongyang, 물냉면. Pyongyang is the capital city of North Korea, and that's the style that of the cold noodle that we just ate. Is the naengmyeon. So it's Pyongyang 물냉면. So that's why we call it. So it's the North Korean style cold noodles. But they don't actually put it up here. They just say cold noodles with broth. So, but they don't really say naengmyeon because there's no actual word that I don't know how, they didn't write there, but on the packaging here, but yeah, it's supposed to be Pyongyang, North Korean city, Pyongyang, and then 물냉면 is the water, and then naengmyeon. So naengmyeon is the noodle. So it's supposed to be Pyongyang 물냉면. That's the North Korean style 물냉면 that we just ate today. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button, consider subscribing or follow to stay updated. And I'll see you again next time with more Korean food. Bye.